Express it loud, using exclamation marks to emphasize interjections. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about a punctuation mark that packs a punch, the exclamation mark. Specifically, we'll delve into how we can use this to emphasize interjections in our sentences. Ready? Let's dive in. Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotions or reactions. They can stand alone, or be incorporated into a sentence. Examples include, wow, ouch, hooray, and many more. It's important to note that interjections often stand out in a sentence because they're expressing something intense and immediate. An exclamation mark is a punctuation mark used to express strong feelings or high volume, and often marks the end of an exclamation or interjection. The use of an exclamation mark can transform a simple sentence into something that conveys emotion, excitement, or surprise. For instance, compare I won to I won. Notice the added excitement in the second sentence. When it comes to emphasizing interjections, exclamation marks are your best friend. They highlight the emotion in the interjection, making it stand out even more. For example, ouch signals a sharp or sudden pain. Wow indicates a surprise or admiration. Bravo is a cheer of appreciation or congratulations. Remember, using exclamation marks can make your writing more vivid, but don't overdo it. Too many exclamation marks can dilute their impact. And that's a wrap on using exclamation marks to emphasize interjections. Now you have another tool in your English language arsenal to express yourself more effectively and colorfully. Don't forget, practicing is key to mastering this. Try writing some sentences using interjections and exclamation marks. Until our next English adventure, keep learning and keep expressing yourself. Happy writing!